Treasury and Economic Planning.
Ni Minista mweru wa KIGINA John Mbadi akirikia kuria mwihitwa wa wabici yake umuthi thigiraini wa iregi.
I, John Mbadi Ngongo, being appointed a Cabinet Secretary of Kenya.
Na kuria minista uya wacokire guthingatithia nginyagia wabici yake o ndagika nini thutha wa kwihitithio haha KIBARUA KIRITU ikimungethera gukiringithanio na maminista angi. Itarini ria maundu maria metereire ugi wa Mbadi hamwe na ANJA ya kigacwa gia thina wa kimbeca wa bururi riu wagi wa kigina kiiganu undu mwe na kuremererwo kuhingia muigana uria wagirire wa magoti ari mamwe ma maundu maria njogu hari ministry no.
I want to tell Kenyans, please don't panic. Let us stop making Kenyans panic.
Kwaga gukinyanira kwa watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024 uria Mbadi yari umwe wa bunge aria maugwithirie bunge-ini na uria watanyaga kuunganiria bururi makiria ciringi bilioni 300 undu mwe na nditi cia kiwatho iri igumire watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 gukoneka kurituhia mathabu ma miunganiria ya magoti indi minista uyu akauga uyu ti undu wa kurehe haho yothe.
There is no cause of alarm. We have a legal framework.
Kuringana na Mbadi na gutuika watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024 ni watho wa igeirwo mbuni ya Kenya kuri ona maundu mega watho-ini uyu makiria maria mahuthagia miikarire ya Kenya.
The good provisions which have been lost by this bill, which are not contentious, and there are many, which can still help this country grow the economy, we can bring them as specific amendments to those acts with proper public, yes, to the Mother Act with proper public participation.
Nige ministry no neranire gwikirira kwagirithio ruti wa wira wa ruhonge rwa ugani wa magoti rwa KRA ruru kigweto gukorwo na uhoti mukiruku wa kugania magoti na makiria maria rurogania umuthi.
There was a time in this country not long ago when we were collecting 18% of our GDP as taxes. Today it is 14%. If we could just increase from 14% to 18% of GDP, you will be adding about 600 billion to our revenue.
Thina ungi munene ministry-ini no riu ni ngombo cia bururi irirathegeriria gukorwo ari makiria ciringi tirilioni 11. Riu Minista Mbadi akiuga gitumi kinene kia wongerereku wa ngombo ici ni kwaga kihariro hari uhuthiri wa mbeca cia muingi undu muna kwaga kweheaga muingi ithabu ria uria maundu maikaire.
One of the things that I think we need to do is to make a debt register a statutory document, which should be published every year, like we publish all the other documents. Kenyans should know.
Ona maminista angi aria mehitithirio umuthi mona ni itanya inene ria kwarahura mwihoko wa Kenya hari thirikari. Minista wa mititu na maria maturigiceirie Adan Duale akiandikana kugare mateti gukinyaniria kioneki kia uhandi wa miti na kugacirithia maria maturigiceirie guku nake muru na ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa bururi Soipantuya akiranira kwihokekera wira wake na kuruta rungiririe ta uria athitwo ni President Gatiba.
Rosalinda Soipantuya being appointed a Cabinet Secretary of Kenya.
Mwene-ini wake Minista wa Ugendi Rebecca Miano eranira gutungatira muingi na wehokeku ta uria arire mwihitwa wake. Justin Muturi utungata wa muingi akiranira kunyorotha uruti wa wira wa muingi guku nake Salim Mvurya uria uthukiirwo ministry ya wonjoria na iganda akiranira gukuruhania nyititemi yothe niguo kwagirithia wonjoria wa Kenya na Kenya. Adunia kama TV retorako ni bataru wa Mwagi.